Good morning. All right. I figure we'll have a conversation on the importance of using what you got. We did not start out with extremely nice equipment. No, that was not a thing, okay? See that Spartan back there? See them Echoes with the Edge Pros? We did not start out with nice stuff. We had some old mowers, we had some old junk. Mom, please sprinkle different pictures of some of our previous mowers, especially Mighty Mouse, the very first one. Little Murray 30-inch in this video. But anyways, so using what you got, the importance of using what you got. So that $15,000 stand-on Spartan mower is no better, honest to God's truth, than that Cub Cadet. That Cub Cadet was only like $2,800. Now it's faster, don't get me wrong, but I live inside of an area that's really wet, and I've been actually stuck on that, where I've had to get the Cub Cadet to yank me out. If you're a solo operator, you don't need the best of the best of the best equipment. Just get it done. Just go out there and get it done. The equipment that you have that makes money is the most important equipment that you're going to get. Because if you're not making money, you might have $25,000 worth of equipment. What the heck's the point of that, though, if you're not making money? So the important thing is the equipment that you got makes you money. Whether you got it from a pawn shop or from a dude on Facebook Marketplace. Or, you know what, if you're a young kid just starting out, go borrow from dad. But remember, as you make money, put money back for repairs, because if you have older stuff, it's going to break. That's just the law of averages. It's going to break. So if you're not running brand new equipment, make plans to have to repair stuff. All right.